7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mother.
Hello, my name is Taryn, and I hate molding and casting. Sort of. What I really hate is spending lots of money and wasting that money. And the only way I'm going to get over that is through practicing. A few years ago, I bought these massive buckets of silicone from when I was making props and costumes, and after some less than successful attempts at molding and casting, they kind of just sat under my pile of miscellaneous building materials for all that time. Well, I finally decided I needed to use it up before it went off, so after rewatching about 100 or so tutorials, I went through my collection of bits that were too good to use only once. I also harassed my friends for even more, and finally started pouring some of that good rubber. This was a great way to build up some confidence before making a two-part mold, but it also gave me a few dump molds for when I inevitably mix up too much resin. Well, I should say a lot of dump molds. I also took this as an opportunity to finish a skull and get it really shiny and pretty before making a mold of it. Basically, for the past month or so, I've been going nuts making molds like a mad person. The entire time I would chant to myself, gloves, sticks, cups, release, my new mantra. And while they didn't all come out perfect, I now have plenty of molds, and when I get sick of them, they will be chopped up and assimilated into future silicone pours. Anyway, remember my sorcerer that I sculpted a few weeks ago? Well, the real reason for this video is I made a mold of it, and then proceeded to put off casting it for as long as possible. My brain kept forgetting to buy cups and mixing sticks, and very nearly had a panic attack while pouring it in, because my anxiety cripples me from even the most mundane tasks. But eventually, it was done. And as expected, I mixed up way too much resin the first time through. But that was okay because past me prepared for this. There was a bit of trial and error, and one of the nipples was giving me some trouble, like just the left nipple for some reason. But as you may have started to gather, I've been making these figures to sell. They are now up for grabs over at Conjuredcraft Curios. I've even designed a cool box that it comes in, which honestly, I think I'm more proud of the box than the actual sculpt. Also, since I'm already asking you for money, I've launched a Patreon where you can support me for as little as $2 a month. The tiers include things like patron shoutouts, access to a Discord server, project polls, and other bonus stuff that hopefully we can all figure out together. In the future, I'd like to do monthly streams, maybe some giveaways, and to sweeten this deal, the first 3 people who sign up for the Conjurer tier will get one of the miscasts of my sorcerer. If you can't tell, I'm actually a little nervous about this, because again, anxiety. I'm hoping for some feedback from you all so we can continue to grow our little community, and so that I can keep improving my videos and my builds. Anyway, I hope this video gets you to practice something that you don't like, or at the very least, gets you off your butt to finish that thing you've been putting off. I've got some more Nurgles and Skulls and Greebles to cast, so I'll see you soon. Bye!